Tech support scammers pose as legitimate IT professionals and convince users to pay for unnecessary services to repair a non-existent problem. These scams were one of the top 5 scams reported to the FBI in 2023, resulting in losses of nearly $1 billion. Protect yourself and your data. Learn the warning signs of tech support fraud. One of the most common tech support scams involves pop-up alerts that may look like an error message, claiming your computer is infected with malware or has critical issues that require immediate attention. These alerts often appear as full-screen messages that mimic the look and feel of genuine system warnings. Avoid interacting with pop-up alerts that claim to be from tech support. Never call a phone number provided on one of these pop-up alerts. Cybercriminals can call and say that they have detected an issue with your device or network and need remote access to fix it. If you receive such a call, hang up. If they claim to be from a reputable company, contact the company directly using official contact information that you find on their website. Tech support scammers may also create fake websites that mimic those of legitimate tech support companies, offering free diagnostic services or claiming to be affiliated with well-known tech brands. Look for signs that the website is real, such as a URL beginning with HTTPS and contact information that matches the company's verified details. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true, such as free extensive diagnostics or services. If you fall victim to this attack or any attack by a cybercriminal, don't be embarrassed. If you have given remote access to a scammer, immediately disconnect from the internet and run a thorough security scan. Change all passwords and monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Report the incident to your local authorities and the Federal Trade Commission to help prevent further fraud. In addition, notify the legitimate tech company that was impersonated to help them address the scam. If you need help fixing an actual problem with your device, work with a company or organization you know and trust. Ask colleagues or friends for recommendations.